Okay, cool. But Kajal and I were speaking before this call after I came back from the funeral, and she was asking if we don't know what questions they're going to ask us, how do we know what answers we have to give them? Well, now that is the definition of an impromptu question. You don't know what the questions are going to be. Um, so, but here's the thing. She was asking me, and we came up with something I think that will help all of you. She's like, how do I know I'm giving the right information or the wrong information, or I'm not saying too many things which are just filler words? So here's the thing. Here's the thing. You have to know what your core message about Pehchan is. Nafisa, if I asked you, Nafisa Khan, alumni, participant, mentor, leader, change maker, senior, mentor to mentors. If I asked you, what is your core message about Pehchan? What would your core message be? You want people to only know one thing about Pehchan. What will that one thing be?
I got the opportunity to enhance myself and show also to get to know that I can do these things.
Great. Okay. Now, that core message, how can it apply to more than just you? You understood the question?
Like how Pehchan is affecting
I'm not
everyone.
asking about Pehchan. We're sticking with
Okay.
your core message. Your core message that you just told me, all right?
Yes.
If I had to use that core message and say enhance the lives of 10,000 other people, how would I say the same message, but now including the change that the 10,000 other kids will experience? You know,
Haven't understood.
you haven't understood. I went to this makeup class because it taught me how to apply lipstick, how to put on blush, so that I can look. For a business meeting, I know what type of makeup I should have. For a night out, I should know what type of makeup I have. Example, I've never attended a makeup class, but example. So what is my core message about this makeup class? It taught me how to present myself in different situations. Okay?
Yes.
How do I take this message further out? XYZ makeup class teaches women how to present themselves in the best possible way in different scenarios. Abhi samajh
Okay.
mein aaya?
Yes.
So you have a message for yourself. Now take that message and make it multiply.
Okay. Pehchan helps a lot of public school students to identify what they can do and enhance their ability and give them opportunity to uh, to do things which they have never done, like this.
Very good. Perfect. For this talk show, this is your core message. So
Okay.
any impromptu question, any question from the audience that comes, कुछ भी, whether it's corruption, whether it's bureaucracy, whether it's घूम फिर के, your answer will come back to this.
Okay.
ये example use करो, वो example use करो. I will teach you how to do that. But Nafisa Khan's core message for this talk show is what you just said. Because you know what? It's in your heart. Therefore, only you can speak about it powerfully. So this is your core message. Got it?
Okay. Yes.
Farah, what is your core message?
That Pehchan believes that Pehchan will create the youth that will create the India of our dreams. That Pehchan will mold the youth that will create the India of our dreams.
How?
By ensuring that our youth is educated enough, responsible enough with all the basic skills that they need in order to ensure that this is the youth that will take on our future tomorrow.
How will you decide what are the basic skills that they need?
Because we as Pehchan have realized that education is the primary source for everything else that you need in life. Yes, other things are important, but education is primary to everything that you will face in life. If you have a good educational background, it automatically means that you have a good understanding of everything else that surrounds your life.
How will a good education benefit a construction laborer?
How will a good education benefit a
I mean, you're
construction?
telling me education is the platform for everything. So I'm saying, like, how will it improve his life?
How will it improve the individual's life?
No, it means like, what's the benefit of education to a construction laborer or to a maid in someone's house?
Because once the person is educated, he or she will know the dignity that she can ask for, the value that she holds in the society, the various add-ons that she can bring as an educated individual, and how she can choose what she wants to do once she is educated, how she can differentiate between what's right and wrong for her.
Okay. So since you seem to passionately be able to defend this point of view and this core message, let this be your core message. So any question that comes at you from the audience, which is an impromptu question, you will bring it back to this core message every single time. Okay? Akhilesh, I can't see you. Sorry.
I'll be on video call in 5 minutes. So my core message will be,
In 5 minutes. Okay. All right, go ahead.
Pehchan is a program is run by the youth, organized by the youth and mentored by the youth, and it is a youth to youth, which is youth is inspired the next youth and can make a better generations.
Can you say that in Hindi, please?
पहचान एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जो एक यूथ चलाता है.
पहले तो एक बात क्लियर करती हूँ, पहचान ऑर्गेनाइजेशन नहीं.
Yes, sorry. पहचान एक एनजीओ है जो यूथ.
पहचान एक एनजीओ भी नहीं है, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन नहीं है, तो एनजीओ कैसे बन गया?
पहचान एक प्रोग्राम है.
हाँ. He's guessing. Still guessing. As a senior, he is still guessing that पहचान is a program or not. हाँ, बोल.
पहचान एक प्रोग्राम है जो यूथ के द्वारा चलाया जाता है, जो ऑर्गेनाइज भी यूथ के द्वारा ही चलता है और जो यूथ टू यूथ इंस्पिरेशन भी किया जाता है, जिससे बहुत सारे जनरेशंस भी सुधारे जाते हैं.
Sorry, I got distracted. Why is Hawa writing that she doesn't have a mentor?
Ma'am, shall I repeat again?
No, I heard you. I'm mom to 8 kids, dude. I can multitask. Don't worry. I heard you. I know what's happening in the kitchen, the bedroom, the office, and I'm listening to Anjali when she's talking to me all at the same time. True or false, Kajal?
True.
She means to say mentee, not mentor.
Okay, so Akhilesh, that can be your core message. It's a very powerful core message. I will teach you now how you'll use this core message to answer impromptu questions. Kajal, don't worry, I never forgot about you. What is your core message?
Pehchan is a platform which allows me to dream big, which allows me to dream. Firstly,
that's what it does for you. How are you going to make it bigger than you?
So it also gives confidence to other kids who comes to Pehchan. They can also dream big. We all have
message.
Sorry.
Nafisa already took that message.
Okay.
See? Yes, Swara.
Suddenly feel like my core message for Pehchan is different.
Okay, that's fine.
What you
like is not a core message. It came from your head. That's why I asked you so many. See, I know. I know why you all don't give me credit for knowing. I know. Please tell me, Swara, what's your core message?
My core message for Pehchan is that it encourages young children like me to have the power in our hands to influence change. Like, I never thought, I've said this before when I spoke on stage at Echo, I never thought a little mentee who's like in 10th standard would come up to me and tell me that Didi, mujhe aap jaisa banna hai, when I was merely in 11th standard. So that is my core message, that it gives young generations the power to influence change.
Perfect. Now that sounds like a core wala message. All right. Kajal, Jana, what's your core message? Is she there? Yes. Please, you have to unmute yourself. Thank you.
Yes, sorry. That was my core message. Now I'm thinking for more core messages, please.
How does no blame work for you? But you have to feel it like in your deep
No
down
blame.
soul. I don't think she can hear.
No, not yet.
No, it's not in her soul. So then we can't.
No.
Okay, all right, chill. I'm not making you use it.
Yes. Stepping into the solution is like in core.
Yes, but I feel in many ways that is working with what Swara just said, right? Swara, is that similar to what you're saying? Or you're almost talking about empowerment. It's in my hands. So in a different way, you're saying no blame without saying no blame. Right? We have the power to influence our future generations. We have the power to influence the tomorrow. In other words, don't tell me he has the power. Don't tell me he has and if he doesn't have the power to make it, he doesn't have the power to take it away either. So in a completely different way, you're saying no blame. Right? So Kajal, if you're saying stepping into the solution, tell me what the message is. My bad એટલે શું? Oh, my bad. My bad એટલે શું?
Meaning, oh, I am at fault. That way.
Papa, why don't you just say, sorry, my fault? Oh, my bad. But if I समझ पड़े, English is only wrong. हाँ, Satyam uses that all the time.
It's become colloquial now, actually, my bad. Everybody uses my bad.
Because we at Pehchan do things everybody does.
So I'm just saying it's become colloquial amongst the youth.
How the kids say, yeah, my Akhilesh still does. Senior change maker. And my Akhilesh will say, what? જેમ કે excuse me જેવો શબ્દ કભી સમજ્યું જ નથી એને. છે ને Akhilesh? Kajal, I'm waiting for you. Just because I can multitask doesn't mean you're going to give me the answer. Put that message out.
Yes.
Yes. આગળ બોલ નહીં દીકરા. Stepping into the solution પર તારો core message શું છે?
We step into the solution, like whatever problems we find, we step into the solution. We saw that there was a bridge to build in schools, like private and public schools. So we did that. Then in this lockdown, we were seeing that people were hungry. So we stepped into the solution. We didn't blame anyone, and we started feeding people.
But that is very similar to, she's gone. That's very similar to Swara's message. There's something she's talking about in the talk show where okay, let's go through these questions and we'll find Kajal's core message. 1 second. Where are the questions, Kisha? You put them on the group only? Yep. All right. Just to show you how the formula works. Okay, those of you who were seniors, when you all were being seniors to your mentors, I gave you a formula, right? When you were dealing with discipline issues, I gave you a formula, right? So I'm going to give you a formula to answer impromptu questions as well. All right. But to show you how this core message concept will work, we'll get Kajal's core message in place, all right? But we have Akhilesh's, Nafisa's, and Swara. So I'm going to give you how this will work, all right? So for example, one of the questions that was posed to us yesterday was, how does living in the slums or going to municipal schools majorly affect your future or your chances for success? Instantly, now that Nafisa knows Akhilesh's core message, Akhilesh knows Swara's, and Swara knows Nafisa's, all right? Let's repeat so that everybody knows everybody's core message. Nafisa, what's your core message?
Pehchan gives opportunities to public school students to enhance their ability and enhance to get to know about themselves, about leadership qualities that they possess but cannot show.
Okay, so I'm going to put Nafisa's core message at one word: opportunities. Exposure, opportunities, whatever you want to call that. I'm going to put Nafisa's at that. Akhilesh, what's your core message? Unmute yourself, Akhilesh, please.
Organized by youth, mentored by youth, and done by youth. Youth to youth inspiration.
So youth for youth is Akhilesh's core message. Swara's is in a way stepping into the solution, in a way no blame. Means I take the ownership. So let's put ownership as Swara's. Forget the hashtag. Let's put ownership as Swara's core. So opportunity is Nafisa's core, Swara's is ownership, Akhilesh is youth for youth. All right. Now, if I look at this question, how does living in the slums or going to municipal schools majorly affect your future or your chances of success? Instantly, amongst the three of you, who should answer this question? Why Nafisa?
Nafisa
Because opportunity.
speaks about opportunity.
Okay. Okay, so then Nafisa addresses it. Who else other than Nafisa should address this? Sorry, Nafisa?
Swara,
Yes, why?
because they are taking their own ownership, or maybe doesn't have their ownership.
Yeah, right? Because the question implicitly applies blame. Implicitly, it applies blame that because you live in a slum, because you live in because you went to a municipal school, your future is affected. So blaming the fact that you live in a slum, blaming the fact that you went to a municipal school for your future being less than. The question implicitly implies that. So there are two angles that need to be answered. So once Nafisa finishes answering, Swara can step in with her thing. Now, this is not necessarily a question that will get asked. I am just trying to teach you how you will decide amongst the four of you who will take that. Now, if you are confused, is it mine? Is it Swara's? It has a little bit of blame. It has a little bit of opportunity. Then this is how it goes. Nafisa, would you like to answer that first as it relates to opportunities, and then I will respond as it relates to. What was yours?
Ownership.
I will respond as it relates to ownership. Nafisa, did you understand what I just did? Yes. So the reason you need a one word, you need to, first we started with your core message as it relates to you. Then we expanded it, how it goes to, how that same message applies to tens of thousands of people, right? Whoever associates with the program. Then we narrowed that down to one word so that everybody on the team knows, okay, that's ownership, that's opportunity, that's youth for youth. And so when the question is thrown out to you, you just have to decide, does it need to be answered from the opportunity angle? Does it need to be answered from the youth for youth angle? Does it need to be answered from the ownership angle? It can be answered from all three angles also. And if one of you finds the other one is not stepping in fast enough, then you can do what I just said. Nafisa, you want to take it from this angle and then I'll answer it from this angle? Or after you finish answering it, say Nafisa jumps in first and Swara still hasn't jumped in, but Nafisa knows there's an ownership angle to this question. Then Nafisa will answer it and say, I think Swara can add more value to this from the ownership angle. Are you getting now? It's a trick. You just have to listen to the question. Now, if you were answering, now Swara's answer from ownership angle will be different. Nafisa's answer from opportunity angle will be different. Can this question also be answered from youth for youth angle? Absolutely. Absolutely. But now that you know what your angle is, every question will be turned into this. Getting it? Let's look at another question. For Akhilesh, if you had to answer this question from youth for youth, don't go into ownership, don't go into opportunity territory. Is he there? I'm talking to a blue square. Is there? Yeah. If I gave you this question, Akhilesh, how does living in the slums or going to municipal schools majorly affect your future or your chances of success? Answer it from a youth for youth angle. I have a lot of work to do. It's okay, don't worry. But okay, 1 second, everybody breathe. Akhilesh can't answer it from youth to youth angle. I'm not going to force it. But between Swara and Nafisa, this can be answered. Nafisa understood the question and knew to answer it. Swara understood the question and knew to answer it. Right? We need to find Kajal an area. We need to find Kajal an area. What are bridging the gap? Would bridging the gap work? Let's try it for now. Does that resonate with you, Kajal? Bridging the gap? It does? Okay, let's try it for now. Let's try it on for size. If you had to answer this question from the bridging the gap angle, how would you answer it? How does living in the slums or going to municipal schools majorly affect your future or your chances of success?
So हम स्लम में रहते हैं और हम जो स्कूल में जाते हैं वो काफी तरीके से हमें अफेक्ट करता है, क्योंकि जो हम सीखते हैं म्युनिसिपल स्कूल में वो काफी अलग होता है प्राइवेट स्कूल के बच्चों से। और जब हम पहचान में आते हैं और प्राइवेट स्कूल के बच्चों से मिलते हैं, उनसे हम सीखते हैं, तो हम ये गैप को ब्रिज करते हैं कि जो उन्होंने सीखा और जो हमने सीखा है वो हम एक बराबर लेवल तक लाने की कोशिश करते हैं, जिससे हम जब कॉलेज जाते हैं तो हमें ये महसूस नहीं होता है कि हम म्युनिसिपल स्कूल से हैं तो हमें कुछ नहीं आएगा या फिर हम नहीं बोल पाएंगे। Yes, stop.
Listen to the question. Your everything you're saying is correct, but answer the question. Good interviewees answer the questions. They don't just talk about the message that they want to get across. Okay, listen to the question. How does living in the slums or going to a municipal school majorly affect your future or your chances of success? Nowhere is it asking you what Pehchan does. Nowhere is it asking you what your Didi Bhaiya does. Nowhere is it asking you about how you mentor. The question is, how does living in the slum affect your future? How does finishing your education from a municipal school affect your future? That's the question. Answer the question.
My future.
Yes, yes. Answer the question.
मेरे फ्यूचर पे असर पड़ता है, क्योंकि जब एक प्राइवेट स्कूल का बच्चा कॉलेज में जा करके जब वो इंटरव्यू के लिए जाता है अपने जॉब के लिए, और जब मैं म्युनिसिपल स्कूल से होके अपना कॉलेज फिनिश करके मैं जाती हूँ इंटरव्यू के लिए, तो हम दोनों के पास डिग्री सेम होती है, बीकॉम बीएससी, लेकिन जो हमारे सॉफ्ट स्किल्स होते हैं वो इतने डिफरेंट होते हैं कि इंस्टेंटली इंटरव्यूअर को पता चल जाएगा कि उसको हम दोनों में से किसे जॉब देना है या फिर कौन ज्यादा अच्छा कर पाएगा, तो वो इंस्टेंटली मेरा जो जॉब का अपॉर्चुनिटी है वो खत्म हो जाता है.
Great. Perfect. Except soft skills जैसे how to interview, how to dress, how to present myself, right? In addition to that, my English language skills. So you're absolutely on the right track. And now if your core message is gap, right? I gave Swara a word, ownership. I gave Nafisa a word, opportunity. I gave Akhilesh a word, youth, youth for youth, hashtag no spaces. Your word is gap. So whether if I come from a slum and if I finish from a municipal school, exactly your interview wala example, there is a gap. वो gap दिखता है interview में. So now, Kajal, you have your core message, gap. So you see one question can be answered from 3 different core angles. All right, you just have to decide which angle the question needs to most be answered from. All right, let's test out this formula with another question. After the lockdown, how will you continue? After the lockdown, how will you continue to assist with Pehchan when normal activities and college work resumes? Automatically, which category of the 4 should it fall in? Ownership
and youth for youth.
And youth for youth. But my youth for youth dude is thoda confused. But ownership, start ownership.
Yes. So we as the youth know that this is what we want to do, this is what we are here to do, and this is what gives us the sense of responsibility to create an India that we want to see. So immediately as the lockdown gets over, all of us jot down our schedules, see where in the week are we all free, and according to our schedules we form a monthly plan and work according to that for Pehchan. For example, if one of my friends can give 2 hours a week, she will help Pehchan for 2 hours a week. But if I can give more hours a week, I will do more things like I am on this talk show today. Similarly, we all differ amongst our time schedules, and that is how we work out our schedules and work.
Well done. Akhilesh, do you want to add to that?
यस, तो मैं अभी स्वरादी ने जो बताया उसमें थोड़ा कुछ ऐड करना चाहता हूँ. तो स्वरादी ने बताया कि हम जैसे जो यूथ होते हैं, हम सब कुछ टाइम मैनेजमेंट करके करते हैं. तो जो पहचान प्रोग्राम है वो यूथ टू यूथ है. तो हर एक चीजों के लिए अभी समझ लीजिए कि जैसे मैं एक मेंटी हूँ और नफीसा दी मेंटोर है, तो मैं एक यूथ हूँ और नफीसा दी भी एक यूथ है. तो मुझे इंस्पायर कर रही है आगे स्टैंडर्ड में जाने के लिए. तो ये एक परफेक्ट होता है यूथ टू यूथ. और स्वरादी भी एक यूथ है जो पूरा शो ऑर्गेनाइज कर रही है. स्वरादी की जैसे बहुत सारे लोग हैं, लाइक नफीसा दी, काजल दी, तनु दी, वो एक यूथ है जो पूरा पहचान चला रहे हैं. तो एक यूथ है पहचान ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहा है, एक यूथ है पहचान चला रहा है, एक यूथ है जो यूथ को इंस्पायर कर रहा है. So that's how we work.
See, y'all don't need any more training. Now that you have a theme, now that you have your core message, what was happening previously is that all of you thought you had to answer from every angle, and none of you, yeah. The idea is it's the KISS principle. It is taught in management schools. What is the KISS principle? See, more children would pay attention in class if teachers taught like this. What is the KISS principle? Shall I tell you? Keep, K ka keep, it, simple, stupid. Keep it simple, stupid. KISS principle. It is so, now that you're doing it like this, doesn't it feel so much easier? Don't you feel so dumb that you were going round and round in circles? Yes, that's the stupid part. That's the last S. We, don't laugh at me, Kish, that we overcomplicate the messages that we want to put out there. I even see it in the graphics that these girls create with the utmost diligence. they want to say everything in that one graphic only. So we can't put an album of photos, or we can't, એવું તો કોઈ અકર જ નહીં થાય, એક જ ગ્રાફિકમાં આખું બધું બોલી દેવાનું. But it's easier to process a message when it's simple. Let's try this formula out with another question. Keisha, can you plan questions that are not here, that they've not heard? 2, 3 right now, impromptu. Okay. Here's the question.
I have them ready. So
Oh, you have them ready. Super. Do you think you will be successful in a country as big as India? Which area should it fall in?
First, youth to youth also.
Okay, youth. Akhilesh is ready. Youth to youth. Which other area can it fall in?
Ownership.
Ownership. It can fall, Kajal, in your area. It can fall in all areas, right? So let's hear. But it resonated with Akhilesh. It resonated with Swara. So let's go with that. Akhilesh, answer that question from your angle.
तो अभी आपने क्वेश्चन पूछा कि हम लोग कैसे करेंगे, तो अभी हमारे जो प्रोग्राम है बहुत सारे सीनियर चीफ मेकर्स है जिनको बहुत सारा एक्सपीरियंस है आगे स्टैंडर्ड के बारे में. अभी हमारे में जैसे कि नफीसा दी है, वो TYPSC में जा चुकी है. तो अभी मेरे जैसे लोग हैं जो SM है या फिर जो नए मेंटर्स है जिनको साइंस का स्ट्रीम लेना है, तो उनको आगे का नॉलेज पता चल जाता है कि उन्हें क्या करना है. हमारे पास एक गाइड के लिए होती है, हमारे पास एक गाइड हुआ कि हमें आगे जाके क्या करना पड़ेगा.
मैं क्वेश्चन वापस पूछती हूँ. आपका प्रोग्राम कैसे सफल होगा इंडिया जैसे देश में जहाँ पे आबादी इतनी बड़ी है?
Ma'am, shall I use my yesterday's also answer ki directly my
point? Answer use karwo edita, they answer use kar, but question answer kar.
Yesterday's also now.
Yes, darling. We are practicing only na Marajan. On Saturday you will say I sorry, and on Thursday I practice that answer. So now on Saturday I cannot give this answer. अब जरा क्वेश्चन पूछ.
Confused so much.
बोल आकर.
Okay. तो मैम अभी जैसे मैंने बताया कि 4 साल हो चुके हैं इस प्रोग्राम में काम करते हुए, तो अभी मुझे एक्सपीरियंस है. और 4 साल पहले भी मतलब 3 साल पहले भी इसके अंदर कोई मेंटर्स होंगे, 2 साल पहले भी मेंटर्स होंगे. तो हर साल मेंटर्स 100, 200, 300. तो सोचिए कि हम अब तक से हमारे पास बहुत सारे मेंटर्स मेंटीज थे, तो उनके बहुत सारे एजुकेशन जो मतलब एक जनरेशन था उन एजुकेटेड हो चुके हैं. हमने अभी तक वो तो गिना ही नहीं, वो जाने दीजिए. अभी मेरी आगे की जनरेशन है, अभी मेरे 2 बच्चे होंगे, 3 बच्चे होंगे, तो मैं एजुकेटेड हूँ तो मेरे जनरेशन एजुकेटेड होंगे, वो हम कहाँ से गिनेंगे. अभी ऐसे सोचिए कि हमारे अंदर तो 100 है, अभी तो मतलब पिछले साल के बाद के, तो वो कैसे.
Well done. All right, it makes us laugh, it connects us to you. You got the rhythm and flow of it, and we are sticking to you. Swara, are you noticing how easy it is? Swara, answer the question.
Yes. So India जैसे बड़े आबादी वाले देश में ये प्रॉब्लम तब सॉल्व होगी जब यूथ का हर आदमी ओनरशिप लेगा, और जब यूथ के हर आदमी को ये गैप नजर आएगा, जब हम में से हर एक इंसान आगे आके देखेगा कि एक प्राइवेट स्कूल के बच्चे में और एक पब्लिक स्कूल के बच्चे में कितना अंतर है, तब हम में से हर किसी को समझ आएगा कि हमें कितना गैप ब्रिज करने की जरूरत है. और जैसे जैसे साल आगे बढ़ते जा रहे हैं, जैसे से हमने जैसे इस इंटरव्यू में पहले भी बोला, ये प्रॉब्लम लोगों से शुरू हुई है और ये लोगों के इन्वॉल्वमेंट से सॉल्व होगी. तो हम कितने भी बड़ा आबादी वाला देश हो, जब लोग इन्वॉल्व होंगे और जब हर इंसान अपनी खुद की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी और ओनरशिप लेगा, हम ये चैलेंज सॉल्व कर पाएंगे.
I think my job is done for today. They know how to answer impromptu questions now. I'm telling you, you all need to pay me for the amount of skills and formulas I am giving you. Kajal, answer this question, please. After unmuting yourself.
Yes. I don't have answer for gap. Swara already covered the gap thing.
Fair enough. You raised your hand, so I came to you. But what I'm saying is, it works, right? It works. The formula works. It definitely, Nafisa doesn't have an answer for it. You don't have an answer for it. But Swara has answered it. Akhilesh has answered it. The audience is satisfied with the answer. It works. The formula works. Now, pretend Swara did see an opportunity for bridging the gap. And Swara did say, hey, Kajal, do you want to add something from the gap perspective to this? What's a polite way of saying no, thank you, other than saying no, thank you? What's a polite way to say that?
You covered all the points.
Yes. Thanks, Swara. You did a superb job of covering the points, even about the gap.
Yes.
Yeah, not like, no, not like that. Huh. All right. Okay. Formula works, dudes. Formula works. That's the first part of the formula. You stick to your core. Stick to your core. All right. So Nafisa is ownership. No, Nafisa is opportunity. Swara is ownership. Kajal is gap. Akhilesh is youth for youth. First part of the formula, stick to your core. Second part of the formula, make 2 pertinent points, no more. Otherwise, what tends to happen is people end up giving another lecture in answering a question. We have seen that in many, many afternoon meetings that we have attended. So, listen, dude, that's the most politically correct way I can say it. So, what I am saying to you is no more than 2 pertinent points. They don't want another whole speech. They heard one. All right. So, and you all have been doing that really well just now in this practice. You all are just quickly making your points and moving forward. All right. Okay. So that's your second part of the formula. And the third, if any question is controversial, when you start your answer only, handle the controversy. We're going to practice that now. Okay. So at the start, now, for example, in this question, do you think you will be successful at bridging the gap in a country as populated as India, for example, right? It's loaded with controversy. And there might be some people who are like, answer yes or no. In which case, it can be yes, if all of us take ownership of our roles. No, if only some of us are taking ownership in these roles. Let me tell you what I mean. Do you understand what I'm saying? So don't leave your audience wondering, did she answer my question? Didn't she answer my question? And don't leave your audience irritated that she hasn't answered my question. Or like this first question that Bhavna gave us yesterday. Most Indians aren't used to living without house help. If you educate everybody, who will clean my home? Which of the 4 areas will take this question?
Now I feel with ownership, I can answer all questions. Not even like there are some questions in every, our Indian education system has taught us to ghusaify our point in any whatever way possible. I can ghusaify ownership everywhere now.
But yet yesterday we were struggling with the impromptu questions. But
Yes,
there's a touch of vision where I can just throw things. These people are really going to wonder how hostile I am. In one recording, I want to smack. In one recording, I want to throw a cup. I'm really wondering, like, any audience ever picks this up, they're going to be like, she's not fit to be anybody's teacher, dude. Stop it right now. But that's the whole magic of the core message when you're on a panel. If Nafisa actually goes through these questions tonight, she'll actually be able to find opportunity in all of them. Akhilesh will find youth for youth answers in all of them. Kajal will find gap answer in all of them. Just like you have right now said, you can find ownership in all of them. That's the magic of the core. And in less than 24 hours, we've taken you from being, ma'am, don't know what to say, to ma'am, I can answer every question now. What is my payment, please? Since people already think poorly of me, let the whole Nafisa, that smile, that pala smile that I bring on your face now, that's what has to be there during the interview. Think of me and all the bakwas I would be doing. See, look at that.
God, Akhilesh has given such a dramatic answer.
In Gujarati, that's called koilu. Koilu answer. Pelu tomato spoil thai na, koilu kehvaay. But it's very sweet, Akhilesh. I love that. Thank you so much, Akhilesh. Now Swara is like, oh God, she's gone from throwing cups to, okay. All right, so I'm not going through any more questions because I can see in your eyes that you all have got it. What I want to now see is the synergy between you all right, in answering impromptu questions. So now I don't have any more questions. Keisha?
Madam.
This team that's about to pay me a lot of money, please ask your new impromptu questions to them.
You should put your Google Pay account in the chat box so they can.
I love her. No wonder we're training her to be advisor. She gives brilliant ideas. And you know what? Not only am I doing it for y'all, for free, I'm putting it up on YouTube for the rest of your lives. This will be available for free to you and to you and to you and all your friends. So here's how I know. I'm predicting this. What are we? June 25th, 2020. Here's my prediction. Once Swara, Mohammad, Nafisa, Kajal, Akhilesh get into these amazing jobs or amazing companies and are managing these brilliant teams, and all of a sudden they have a marketing opportunity, they're going to tell their teams, here's the link to this video, go see it, now come back and show me how prepared you are. So not only are they getting the benefit right now, but because it will probably be a video that only gets 10 views in 2020, and because they will be the only people who know this video exists, they will use it. I'm telling you, I'm coming back for royalties. I'm telling you all from now, it's recorded. All right, enough masti. Keisha. Anthony Robbins in my DNA since 2 days. It's a very good thing. All right, I still have to do my homework.
I just did half of it before class and then I realized I should pay more attention.
Half the home. Okay, I don't want to get into that.
Yeah.
Chalo.
We do it nicely.
You know, yesterday, sorry, I digress. Yesterday, Tanu sent me a message saying, I have no... It's more fun when I read it, because then the true essence of the message comes across. So she said, I sent her at 9:30 at night. Please, may I encourage you to post your live. It looked sweetly, मैं पूछी ना, not like I'm going to throw a cup at you or something. So she writes back, as sweetly, I would love to, but I have a little network problem. Please, may I try tomorrow? Ser, Sava Ser. My children taught me that phrase. So I wrote back, try. The universe will respond to your intention. Okay? So she tried. Not once, not twice, not 5 times, 10 times, but she finished her live last night only. Now she went from I have a little network problem, I can't do it, to then I get this message. I was feeling little, basically she had an amazing time doing the live. I felt so good from inside after doing it. It was amazing. So imagine if I hadn't said, may I please encourage you? I'm just saying, I'm the cup throwing, encouraging person before anybody throws me under the bus. All right, Keisha, start. And Siri started. Ask Siri to start. Courage in person.
I didn't get that.
Even
Could you
I
try
didn't
again?
get. No, but I didn't ask you for anything.
It's like Alexa. She just starts talking.
Okay. Chalo, Kajal, are you tired? Kajal, are you tired? Kajal, are you tired? Kajal,
No,
are you
my
tired?
back is hurting. My back is hurting. I slept only for some time now, so it's just no worries.
Are we good? We're good. Keisha, question, please.
पहचान आपको अपने खुद की पढ़ाई की जर्नी या एजुकेशन की जर्नी में कैसे मदद करता है?
आपको पहले आप प्लीज आपको हाँ डाइगो.
तो अभी आपने मुझसे सवाल
नहीं उसने आपसे नहीं पूछा, उसने सबसे पूछा.
तो आपने हमसे पूछा कि पढ़ाई हमें सॉरी I'm really sorry.
It's okay, dude. Chill, breathe. And if this happens on the live, it's okay to say sorry, close your eyes, and take a breath. It's perfectly fine. It's normal. So don't get hassled by normal human behavior. Okay? Isha, please ask your question again.
पहचान आपको अपनी खुद की एजुकेशन जर्नी, पढ़ाई की जर्नी में कैसे मदद करता है?
थैंक यू फॉर द क्वेश्चन. मैंने आपको पहले ही कुछ टाइम पहले बताया था कि हमारे बहुत सारे सीनियर्स हैं, तो अगर मुझे कुछ भी डाउट है, आप मेरा एग्जांपल ले लो. 11th में मेरे को बहुत सारे डाउट है, 11th 12th में, तो भूषण भैया थे वहाँ पे, वो भले ही मेरे ही क्लास के थे मगर उनको बहुत अच्छा नॉलेज है. तो अभी हमारे सीनियर्स है, वो अभी हमारे पास एक ही सीनियर नहीं है, हमारे पास बीकॉम के सीनियर है, बीए के सीनियर है, बीएससी के सीनियर है. तो अगर कुछ भी डाउट आता है तो पहचान क्या करता है कि हमें एक सीनियर चेंज मेकर या फिर उस सब्जेक्ट का जो अच्छा करता है हमें अलॉट करता है और हम उस डाउट के बारे में उसे क्लियर कर पाते हैं. ऐसे अभी भूषण भैया जी जिन्होंने मेरा मैथ्स का डाउट क्लियर किया था, अभी नफीसा दी जो मेरा बीएससी का डाउट क्लियर कर रहे हैं. स्वरा दी, कैन यू ऐड लिटिल बिट?
यस श्योर अखिलेश, थैंक यू सो मच. सो पहचान में आने के बाद मुझे नजर आया है कि गैप कितना है हमारे यहाँ. बिफोर आई केम टू पहचान मुझे कभी गैप दिखाई ही नहीं देता था, पर जैसे मैं पहचान में आई मैंने देखा कि गैप कितना है और कितना अंतर है. पहचान में आने के बाद इसीलिए मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि एजुकेशन का कितना महत्व है. और पहले मैंने सोचा नहीं था कि मैं किस में मेजर्स करूंगी, क्या मास्टर्स करूंगी और आगे जाके क्या बनूंगी. पर जब मैंने देखा कि इतने सारे छोटे म्यूनिसिपल स्कूल पास आउट बच्चे मुझे देखते हैं एज देयर इंस्पिरेशन और मुझे कहते हैं कि उन्हें मेरे जैसा बनना है, इट ऑटोमेटिकली एनकरेजेस मी टू होल्ड माय ओनरशिप, टू बी रिस्पांसिबल इनफ and study and get educated so I can stand up to the standard that they are holding me for. इसीलिए
I think I'm retiring. Next, and Kajal, if she answers in your category, you can't make that face like, Swara, why'd you do that? You just have to be like, chill. All right?
I will be chilling. I will be
I
chilling.
know you will be, but sometimes it's good to remind, right? Like, chill. All right. I know you will be. I have full faith in you. I have full faith in all of you. I know you will. Keisha, next question, please.
मुझे इंडिया की एजुकेशन सिस्टम के बारे में आप कुछ बताएंगे?
So automatically, where does that fall? Ownership, opportunity, gap, or youth?
opportunity.
Nope.
And youth also.
Nope.
And gap also. Gap.
First, it falls in gap, right? Because what are we talking about? There's a gap. Bara, it can fall everywhere. Like you said, we can gussa and answer into every category. Where does it best fit? Where does it best fit? Right? Kajal, answer this question. What was the question?
Yes, thank you.
I'll repeat. Should I repeat?
Yes.
You have no choice.
आप मुझे इंडिया के एजुकेशन सिस्टम के बारे में क्या बता सकते हो?
थैंक यू कीशा. सो जो इंडिया में जो एजुकेशन सिस्टम है, तो हम पहले से ही जानते हैं कि पब्लिक स्कूल, प्राइवेट स्कूल है, और जो इंडिया के जो 60% जो बच्चे हैं वो अभी भी पब्लिक स्कूल अटेंड करते हैं. तो आप देख सकते हैं कि कितना बड़ा गैप है. इंडिया का जो एजुकेशन सिस्टम है उसमें 60% बच्चों को अभी भी अड़चने हैं. वो अभी भी कॉन्फिडेंस लैक करते हैं, वो अभी भी सही तरीके से बोल नहीं पाते हैं, या फिर उन्हें इंग्लिश या कई लैंग्वेजेस में दिक्कत होती है कॉलेज में जाने के बाद. क्योंकि जैसे कि आप जानते हैं कि हम कई ज्यादा वर्नाक्युलर मीडियम से बच्चे आते हैं. तो ये दिक्कत बहुत ही स्मॉल लेवल पे है. इंडिया और अब्रॉड का जब हम कंपेयर करने जाएंगे तो ये चैलेंजेस काफी ज्यादा बढ़ जाते हैं. जैसे कि यहाँ जो अब्रॉड में है वहाँ का टीचिंग जो स्टाइल है वो काफी डिफरेंट है हमारे इंडियन टीचिंग स्टाइल से.
Why are we going to abroad? हम abroad कैसे?
Because she said something about.
You said something
She
about
said
abroad?
something about abroad, so I think.
I said, tell me about the education system in India.
और हम abroad तक पहुंच गए. And she repeated the question twice.
I'm sorry.
This is where we will fail in the impromptu questions. Because when one is talking, we're tuning the other out. When actually we need to be paying attention to what's happening. Even in your main 7 questions, you have to be listening when your peers are speaking. You have to be listening when the host is speaking. She might change one word in the question, which is completely her prerogative to change. And if you give an answer like you've rehearsed, you'll not be giving an answer that she wants. And also, children, don't expect that she'll just go question 1 to question 2 to question 3 to question 4. She won't do that. When you answer, she might ask you another question related to that answer, which you will have to answer as though it is an impromptu question. Formula, don't forget. So, for example, say it is question 3. Who's answering question 3? Akhilesh. Okay. Say Akhilesh has answered question 3. And now she has posed a follow-up question to the answer Akhilesh has given. You have to listen which of the 4 categories it is falling into. If it is falling more into your category than his category, even though he just answered the question, you would say, ma'am, may I answer? Wait for her to give you permission and then answer it. Formula works the same way. So whether she gives you an impromptu question in between the questions, or whether she gives you all the impromptu questions at the end, the formula stays the same. Now, of course, if Akhilesh steps in and answers it, so be it. Akhilesh steps in and answers it and life moves on. But it's a skill, kids. I cannot teach you this skill in one day, but listening is a skill. And in my unscientific, untested theory, 99.9% of people on this planet lack the ability to listen. They just try to pick up whatever, 1 word here, 2 words, because they're all nobody's going to be sitting like this in front and watching it. Oh, wow, she said this. Oh my God. No, not like we take the Tony Robbins class. Somebody's going to be walking around. Somebody's going to have it on a speaker. Somebody's going to be serving their family dinner while they're trying to listen to it. So listening is is a skill these days. And if you're on the interview, you better be listening. Kajal, are you listening to me? This is not one of your core competencies. Answering is a core competency of yours. Like Swara's core competency is also answering. Nafisa's core competency is listening. Right? So Nafisa, here is where you have to balance out your peers' strengths and weaknesses. You know Swara gets distracted. You know Kajal gets distracted. You know you're paying attention to what that host is saying. So if you feel the answer has gone a little teda meda, you have two options. One, answer it yourself so that the answer gets out there. Or two, you know who has which category, and this is how you will throw it back. In terms of if Kajal answered like this, you would say, Kajal Di, I think she meant in India. You keep it real. You keep it real. And so then Kajal Di, and if you find that Kajal is struggling, you would say, ma'am, in India, this is what the public system is like, this is what the private system is like, and this is why we decided to bridge the gap. And you make it short, sweet, simple, and move forward. Learning to work as a team will become stronger and stronger the more you start listening and the more you start supporting one another to make sure the other doesn't fall. I am super blessed in Pehchan that we don't have egos in our kids. That is such a blessing, such a blessing, such a blessing. All of you want the other to succeed. So therefore, I have to never do coaching about why did you make her look small? Why did you behave like this? I never have to deal with that. So I am not even worried about Nafisa jumping in and grabbing all the questions to answer because Nafisa wants to look like this, or Akhilesh doing it, or Kajal doing it. Because all of you are interested in actually like, Akhilesh, take now, Kajal, take now. And I have seen you all do this even with opportunities that have come our way. I have had some of you turn and say, ma'am, you know, Bhushan would be better at this because he has done this, this, this. When we were deciding our 9 seniors now, because Bridge Squad only had 6 people. And Hawa and Vinita had been put onto other work that needed attention. So we were down to 4 people. So we needed 5 other people to serve as seniors. So when the discussion was happening, everyone came with suggestions. But no one was like, my suggestion is better than your suggestion, and started fighting with each other. Aisa kuch nahi hua. Oh yeah, so Mohammed put forward so-and-so's name and Swara put forward this one's name. And Mohammed would say, you know, because of this, this, this. So Swara would say, yes, absolutely, let's take him. That's literally what I had to deal with. That's it, nothing else, nothing more. So I'm not worried about one of you showing up the other one. And Swara, you will need to manage this a little bit, because whatever said and done in their subconscious minds, Swara, are you listening to me? In their subconscious minds, maybe not consciously, you are their so-called senior. So even if it's not fitting, yes, I'm right, Nafisa? So even if it's not fitting in their category, in your category, they will keep throwing the ball back to you. You know, in road track, y'all had taught me a game, name volleyball karke. Huh? Now I am very bad. Even look, I am super bad at sports. I'm not, and even though it is name volleyball, to me it is a sport. Okay. Now I have to move my hands and say a name. I'm going to learn 2 names. And every single time I'm going to call one of those 2 names. 99% I will learn only one name. That person gets out, then I will learn another name. So in their minds, Swara, you're the name. So Nafisa will throw it back to you. Akhilesh will throw it back to you. I don't know where Kajal will throw it, but it will get thrown. Like, means it will come back to somebody. But like Nafisa is agreeing, subconsciously your name is there. So you as the as their peer. And let's not make any mistakes. On this show, y'all are all peers. Nobody more senior to another. And actually, if I look at it, Kajal is the most senior on this group. Make no mistake of it. All right. So we are not looking at seniority at all. I want you all to go into this talk show knowing you are peers, youth for youth, not Swara the youth, the rest of us youth. No. It is youth for youth. And whatever you answer, however you answer, our main core message has gone in the 7 questions. Now, whatever information you're giving is, what is that called? Cherry on top of the cake, or sprinkles on top of the cake, or whatever it is. Keisha, just to ensure that this point has gone into them, let's ask one more question, but I think they've got the impromptu questions down.
Okay. I have like 7. 1 second.
So you post all of them on the group. They will look at them and they will find the answers based on their categories. And also, children, try not to repeat in some try. It may not be possible, but if I have, it's like this, right? I tell you, if I have 2 minutes to dream, I might as well dream big. There's no point in wasting my 2 minutes dreaming small. If I have 30 minutes to get my message across, I might as well keep giving all the different types of messages I have to give in terms of feeding the information about our program, then repeating the same ones again and again, right? True or false? What I just said is true or false? Oh, trick question. What I just said is true or false? Nafisa said, ma'am, just now don't take quizzes.
True.
False. I just said 99.9% of people don't listen. So whatever your core message is, keep repeating it. In fact, Akhilesh, the way you were answering the impromptu question was absolutely correct. Like I said earlier, ऐसा 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 है, तो हम ऐसा ऐसे करेंगे. जैसे कि स्वरा दी ने बताया था, you will keep reminding them of what we've already said, because those are the core messages we want them to remember. So I've taken out all the guesswork in what you have to answer also. Core area, repeating the messages we've already sent out, and balancing each other out. I don't think any more practice is needed in this impromptu area. I'm pretty confident about it at this stage. Swara, the only thing you're going to have to ensure is that you're not answering every impromptu question. I think that's going to be your greatest challenge.
I can do that. I will not initiate anything. Like whenever a question comes, I will listen, but I'll wait if somebody else thinks it's in their area. If nobody thinks it's in their area, then I'll pick it up.
I think that would be a good plan. Also, Kajal, here's going to be the challenge for you in answering impromptu questions. You feel so passionately about this program for many reasons, okay? One of the reasons being that you have spent so much time with me and I talk so much. So there is so much information inside you of the vision of where we are going, what's going to happen, especially because I'm a person who lives 5 years out. I don't live like now, right? So much of me is poured into you, and then your extra added energy about the project. So you also want to be 5 years ahead. But you see, I don't talk to people about 5 years ahead. I talk to my children about 5 years ahead, or 10 years ahead, or 20 years ahead. So when you are on this show, you are going to talk about today. If they talk to you about tomorrow, you answer. It's sort of like this, okay? Now everyone else can tune me out, or listen, it's being recorded. It's sort of like this. When I talk to you about souls and spirits, it's not something I would go around talking to everybody about. Because in this country, there's a different perception of it. So right now, everybody is not mentally ready for our 5-year out mission or vision. Right? Like Bhavna was saying yesterday, just start by planting the seeds. Please don't put the whole building in front of us right now. You want to put the whole building in front of them, which is not going to allow us to connect with them. But you are super capable of planting the seeds if you just center yourself and stay focused on that. That is going to be your trick wala area. It reminds me a lot of Keisha in the beginning. She wanted to tell everybody everything because she felt so strongly for it. She wanted other people to feel as strongly as she did for it. But in trying to get them to see everything, they couldn't even see what we wanted them to see. Just now pick what you want them to see and then clearly show them that. You know, when Swara answered the question, like here, gap here, 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 now you can't see it. Choose your piece that you want them to see. And then the 4 of you together show them this piece. Got what I'm trying to say? Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. All right. I'm feeling so confident about this. I'm like super excited. They don't need any more coaching. I mean, like I have been fabulous at this coaching, I think. Tu na has mari uppar, Keisha, please. I've done a great job. Ask my students. Bolo.
TFI
give
us permission to mention them in case we need to.
Sorry, who needs to mention who?
TFI?
They never.
No. Teach for India allowed us to use their name.
I knew they would. But yes. I'm really, you know something, Jisha is a rock star at writing.
She is.
She's just a star and she's showing herself now and it's coming across beautifully. And one thing I realized, she wants to hide behind other people's names. So today I told her, no putting Faiza's name, put your name. Even on the trustees' mail, I made her put her name. And then she felt super good when Dinsha uncle replied to her. So we need to...
Sometimes she'll be like, this is what we need to post on the group, will you post it? And then I'll be like, no, you post it because it's your thing to run. So then she does. So yep, she did it like yesterday. I almost told her before we told everybody, and then I realized no, she doesn't know yet, so let's keep it till we tell everyone. So I said, listen, I have to tell you something very important after the live. So she messaged me after class at like 1 something. Listen, you were supposed to tell me something. So that's how I told her.
Nafisa, Akhilesh and Kajal. This, what I'm about to say, is super important for the 3 of you. This is the first time since we have become Pehchan that we will have an opportunity to showcase in Hindi, which is a language everybody in your basti understands. Everybody in your areas understand. Akhilesh, are you hearing me, darling? I'm not sure he can hear me. Nafisa, you are also handling the groups for the alumni. You are handling the groups for the participants. From tonight, we need to start marketing this in your areas. We have never marketed Pehchan in the Bastis. We have never marketed Pehchan to the moms of kids in municipal schools because we're always speaking in English. This is the time you get your Shraddha Alats together, your Saurabhs together, your Mandal boys together. This is the time you you go to all these food distribution families. You make sure they have net. You make sure they know how to log on. And you make sure they watch it. Okay, this is the time we get to educate our participants, parents on the value of Pehchan. So when we have our next live Pehchan, we are not constantly being questioned, लेकिन आप क्या कर रहे हो? हमारे बच्चे का भविष्य कैसे बदलेगा? आप क्यों 10:30 बजे तक रात को रख रहे हैं बच्चों को? Or whatever, and we get those questions, right? Nafisa's mom, Bushra's mom, they question these things, right? Why would you keep my child till 10 o'clock at night? And then we let them go, so they miss out on the teen bonding because their parents want them home. So that leverage we want to create with them. Kajal, Tanu, Satyam get away with it because of me. But we now have so many alumni who are coming back as leaders and change makers, especially our girls. So this is the time serious outreach needs to happen. Our leaders who are alumni, our change makers who are alumni. We also have many leaders ka parents, especially the moms who don't speak English, even though their children went to English medium private schools. So this is even the time to reach out to them. Yes, ambassadors also. This is the time, and you know what? Whatever God does, He works in our favor. We have 2 days. We have tomorrow, actually we have tonight till tomorrow night, and tomorrow night till Saturday night. 48 hours, make these people work their asses off to get this information out there. They will sleep on Sunday. But from tonight until Saturday night, keep pushing. Now, Mohammed, if I am going to put effort into outreach in this area, I need clearly at least one platform that is going to work that doesn't require membership. In other words, my current participants are upset that they couldn't join yesterday's Insta Live, and the link was put up for them to join, but they don't have Instagram. So I have participants in our current batch who are upset with me because I did not allow them to join, but they are not able to understand that without an account, they could not have joined. So other than Insta, other than Facebook, where can they see it? Because my Bastika mummies are not going to have Facebook. You're saying YouTube, but nowhere in the graphics that Afreen has sent is YouTube an option. So when this message goes out, I want the link. Where are they supposed to watch it? Otherwise, I'm not going to market the live. I will market the YouTube recording of the live. But do not market the live to this audience if we don't have a way for them to connect to it. But if we get a way for them to connect with it, we will get a bigger audience than anybody would have ever imagined possible. Because so many of them would watch it. Because they are also in need of hope right now, and our program brings hope. So get it right. Are we marketing the live to them, or are we marketing the recording to them? And Nafisa, next time, before you put anything up on any of these groups, temporarily, till I know that y'all are in a rhythm, you take approval from me before you put it up on a group. Because I don't want to deal with disappointed children. Got it? So I'm expecting an answer to this question within the hour because Afreen is going to send the graphic. So within the hour, I want to know, are we marketing the live to this audience or are we marketing the recording to this audience? Either way, I need the graphics ready. Either way, I want the information ready. Either way. Are we clear? Second thing, I sent each of you a recorded script that I want you to video. I want you to do it for me in 2 ways, please. First in English, as I have sent it to you. Second, the same exact script in Hindi. Okay, Nafisa, with that Akhilesh lipstick wala line I sent na. So that same recording in Hindi, same recording in English. 2 videos you will please send. Okay, so send those as quickly as you can. All right, in like Nafisa, where you're sitting now, like well-lit areas. Akhilesh, where you're sitting, like in well-lit areas. If your lighting is not coming out correctly, then send it to me in the morning when your lighting is correct. All right, and Akhilesh, if you have to sit outside, means right at your door where there's better light, where you can take it in the morning, then do that. Yes, Akhilesh.
So, ma'am, lots of people from my area has been left. So I have 2-3 homes keys, so I can manage.
Okay, fine. But make sure the lighting is
Yes.
right. Make sure that, see how Mohammed is, Mohammed's lighting is, Nafisa's lighting is. Now see, Keisha's lighting won't work because it has shadows. This lighting that I have, it works. So fine. Now if Swara, don't move, stay still. You see the ponytail shadow behind Swara? That lighting won't work. You got it? Because what happens then, Swara, parts of your skin appear dark, parts of your skin appear light, because the light casts a shadow. So you don't come across as bright as you could. Now I'm sure if you lean here, there, the angle moves a little bit, the lighting will move with you, and then that angle you will take it. Got it? Telling you too much, I'm teaching you all for free. That's it. Google Pay option is great, Keisha. Just throw it on Zoom. All right. Bahut bakwas thai gayo. I have another call. No, I still have an hour for that call. Thank God. No. 9 o'clock we had said. Now I'm 5 minutes late for that call. Chalo, bye everybody. See you all.
One second.
So 1 second. Haan.
This StreamYard thing, so I'm on it right now.
Haan.
And there are a few complications in the sense you can't really put a link in. I've connected the Pehchan account to our Kurnev Facebook page, our Pehchan Facebook page, and our YouTube. Instagram isn't an option on StreamYard.
Haan. So nahi use kar Instagram.
So I'm trying to figure out how they will use it. So we need to speak to her and get proper details from her.
You need to properly test.
She
has not put Instagram on her graph.
She has only put Facebook.
She has only put Facebook because, let me tell you why. Because this software doesn't work with Instagram.
That's what I said. It doesn't work with Instagram.
But we are the only people now who have put Instagram, YouTube. કારણ કે આપણે ચેકઆઉટ કરીને કીધું જ નથી. આપણે બધા મૂકી દીધું. ઘેરનું ઘંબા છાય.
Kishadi, can I ask something?
No. Of course you can ask. Bakwas questions can't push it. So bakwas answers mata tha.
No. I searched StreamYard on Play Store. I can't find it.
It's not an app. So for all of you, so I checked how you guys will be getting on it. You can use your phone, or you can use a laptop, or you can use any of the above. But it's a link. So it's like a Zoom link. You just click on the link, and then you'll become. That's how you for guests. That's how it works. For streaming, you need to get onto it differently and log on and get an account and all of that. For you just need to click on that link. Max, in some cases, it might ask you to create your own account, which is a personal account, but it won't. It will just be a link. We will test it once. Once we have this set up, we'll test it and figure out how it works.
We'll test it many times. not just once, but we are working on getting it going, right? All right. Facebook Live, only Facebook Live. I don't want to advertise Insta. I don't want to advertise YouTube, because clearly they are saying Facebook Live. They are only saying FB.
It has, because if you want it to be more than one, if it's multiple streaming, then it's an upgraded premium version.
So I don't want it on YouTube Live. We have zero audience for YouTube Live. Please.
But that's the one that's, so anybody
I
can.
don't want it. It's of zero value to us. It's like saying buy one get one free. पर मैंने बे जोईता नहीं तो पेलो free वालों काहे लाऊं खाली पीली. Okay. Sorry, my mindset is a little different. Other people be like, Jug Market, take the free one, even though they have no room in the house to keep the second one. It's a different story. Our YouTube works very well when we post a recorded version of something. We get a lot of likes, we get a lot of subscriptions, and we get a lot of connection when we share the recorded version. Plus, it doubles our reach. So during the live, who is not available, when they receive the recorded thing, they keep forwarding it forward. So let's just stick to FB Live. Now, why do we want to complicate our lives and add it to YouTube Live also? Or you want to do YouTube Live so the Kajals, Nafisas and Akhileshs can watch it? Okay, do it.
So, ma'am, my aunt told me that she is personally going to stream it on YouTube. I'll ask her again.
Yep.
I'll ask her again right now.
You mean my new friend? I don't know about your aunt. Masti karuj, masti karuj, masti karuj. Okay, so what I'm saying is, wherever you're putting this, Keisha, I want to see it first. Okay, I want it advertised exactly like this, because our quote unquote audience will have access to this. What they will market there in their andas.
Correct.
As long as we tell them how they need to log on to YouTube. So your marketing needs to start for this. All right. All right. All right, Kajal. You with me? All right. Mandal boys, they need to be mobilized. All right.
Okay.
Satyam's area, your area, that Durga girl where we distributed and we adopted those families, and we are going on Monday to feed those other families, or where we are going next week to feed those other families. That all our adopted families which we have been feeding, they need to be reached out to. We just need to really make an effort for this Hindi speaking audience to get reached out. All right. Okay, I have to go now. I have to finish my homework and my other babies are waiting. Swara, relationship, topic, today, figure out a way to connect. Nafisa, recorded calls, recorded videos. They're long. Do as many as you can. Don't exhaust yourself, but learn, at least open yourself up to what he's trying to teach when you can. Isha, I'm going now. I still haven't eaten. This is what I've had. Choy. Yes, yes, Kajal, when did I get to eat? I hung up with you. I spoke to my new best friend. Then I came on this call. Now I'm going on the...
Please eat something and then come.
I will see you on the Tony Robbins call just now, Kajal Maurya. We'll only talk for 20 minutes and then we will all chill our voices till we connect at 11:30. But it's going to be a powerful one. So
I've
don't...
posted the link on our talk show group. Anyone else wants to join can join in case you're still waiting for the link.
Which link?
To the group, to the Tony Robbins group on
To
Facebook.
the Tony Robbins group. Okay, I'm going now. I love you all very much. Please don't take this as rude, but I'm ending the meeting right this second. Love you. Bye.